to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. This is take 3. So today I have a miscellaneous shopping haul. I've got several items here from different places. And I also wanted to tell you about another YouTuber that I became friends with, Mare from Mare of All Trades. She recently launched her own Etsy shop where she sells handmade soaps, candle wax melts, and candles themselves. And I ordered from her 2 candles. One is apple cider, I think cinnamon donut. I could check it out and see what the scent was, but it's burning now and it smells absolutely delicious. I got it in today's mail. And the other one I got is Pumpkin Obsession. This smells so good too. I can't wait to burn them. So I wanted to say thank you very much, Meredith. The package came beautifully. She threw in a couple little small samples of soaps too that I can't wait to try. And she also even gave a teeny little Twix bar. So thank you so much. I'm gonna leave both her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop link below in case you're interested in supporting her. She's really sweet, and I'm always out to help new people in their endeavors. Okay. So up first, I'm going to show you some Target items. I have been trying to find some on-trend pieces, and it doesn't seem to be coming in my styling boxes. You know, I watch a lot of fashion videos and whatnot, and one of the items I noticed that is out now is quilting. More so in purses and whatnot, but they do have quilted clothing items. So I found this top. This top is from Target, and it is a new day, and I paid $25 for it. It is not a sweatshirt, but it seems like a sweatshirt because it's double lined in the quilting, all right? It's shorts with the puff sleeves. I got this in an extra small, and this seems quite large, and it's like a gray blue, like a slate blue, and I really like this a lot. So hopefully it works and it fits for me, but I'm excited to try it, and again, it's like Target has it. Why can't all my styling boxes give me some trendy items, you know? So yeah, quilting is really big in purses especially, but also in clothing items. Okay, the next thing I got from Target is this shirt, which, you know, what do you call this? They're calling it a dark pink, but it's like an adobe or dusty rose type of color. And this is also from A New Day. I apparently like that name brand. Extra small for $5. This is going to replace the t-shirt, the wrap top that I had gotten a stain on and I threw away, and it should go with the cardigan that I got from Stitch Fix. So I'm going to try it on together and I'm going to see how it looks, all right? So for $5, totally worth it. Next up, I was there again today at Target, and I've been looking for a fall type kimono wrap, all right? And this one, who's this one? A New Day, no surprise, also $25. It is, I was looking at the tag here, it is 60% polyester, 20% rayon, sorry, 80% polyester, 20% rayon. So it's not acrylic, it's super soft, hopefully it doesn't pill up. But I don't think it will. And it has like holes here. So we'll have to see how this looks. It looks really long. You know, it's a one size fits all. But I thought this would be really good for when I'm working from home and using it as a wrap around the house. So we'll see. I've been looking for like a fall type of kimono wrap. And I've also been looking for like feminine plaid items. So this would fit the ticket for 2 things. So I'm pretty excited about that as well too. All right. Next up, Kristen from Moments of Sanctuary, when I did my Ever Eve haul, suggested I try Nordstrom from a ringer tee. So I did. I went onto Nordstrom's website and I did a search, and I searched ringer tee because the one from Ever Eve was super thin and super expensive. This one is $29 and it was from Treasure and Bond. This is also super thin, and I wanted to bring it closely so you can see here. See how it's ribbed? So it's a super thin t-shirt. I think though I might keep this as long as it looks okay. It does seem to be fit, you know, the fit seems like narrow enough for me. And it looks like it would stay close to my body. Hopefully it's not too clingy, but I don't think it will be. All right. Next up, another viewer a while ago suggested this bra brand called Yvette, Y-V-E-T-T. I forget who it was that suggested it to me. It was like probably like 4 or 5 months ago. It's a sports bra, okay? It's white and it's zip up style, and that's what I need and use. I hate pulling a sweaty bra over my head or struggling to get it off, and I just prefer to unzip it and done. I have not tried wearing this yet, so I don't know how good of a support it is. It doesn't seem like very good support, but neither did my SheFit bras. So I decided to try this one. I forget how much I paid for this, but it was pretty cheap. I think it was like $38, which is really cheap for a sports bra. All right, and again, the company's Yvette, Y-V-E-T-T-E. So I'll give it a try and we'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty much in desperate need of white sports bras. I have one. All right. A couple months ago, I was doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on, and I mentioned that I got their Stitch Fix everyday camisoles, right? And I raved about them. Oh, they're soft, they fit the bill, this is exactly what I was looking for, they fit nicely. I wore it once and washed it. In the wash, gentle cycle, with light colors, nothing that could have damaged it, and it completely pilled up, okay? I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see all the pills on there. It is like, it's terrible, once. So I am going to be emailing Stitch Fix this afternoon. I haven't even tried you wore the other one, because it's been warm. You know, today's like the first day, you know, it's just starting to get a little bit cooler where I can wear something like this. So I'm very upset by this, and I'm obviously gonna be needing new camis, so if anybody can give me a recommendation of camis that fit well, are soft, but don't pill up, let me know, okay? Last thing that I wanna share with you, okay? As you know, I love those level 99 joggers that I got from Trendsend. I do not like the price of them. So I've been looking for a while now on Poshmark, looking. And at first I didn't find any level 99 joggers, but I did find these jeans by level 99, okay? They are like a blue-black wash. Again, I'm gonna bring it closer, all right? It's coming across on the camera as black, but it's like a bluish black. And it has a racing stripe down the side. I thought that was so cute. It has, you know, raw hem, and they are they high-rise? They're from Level 99 Los Angeles. Original price was $180. Sorry, not $180, $108. I got them off of Poshmark. They're super stretchy, size 25, which is my normal size, so we'll see if they fit. And I paid $27 for these, plus shipping. So not a bad price. Again, new with tags, but again, it's on the resale market. So I'm very happy to try these on. But I got some more drama about Poshmark. This is my second purchase from Poshmark. So about the same time I purchased these, I sent a picture to Kayla from Kayla's Closet, and I fell in love with the pair of mother jeans on there. Really cute, had front patch pockets. And I said, what do you think of these, Kayla? She's like, oh, they're cute. Because I wasn't so sure about the patch pockets in front, but they look cute, and they were 25, and they were crop length, so I knew that they weren't gonna be too long. So I put in an offer, and I believe she countered, and I said, okay. And I won, and I purchased them from her. I say I won, but she agreed, and I purchased them from her. Well, 7 days went by, and she never shipped the package. So I said, Kayla, what do I do? She says, well, she goes, try and leave a comment on the page. So I said, I won these. Are you gonna be sending them anytime soon? And that day went by, and she still did not comment. She didn't send, so I ended up canceling. And I think I paid $42 plus like the shipping, and it was under $50, because that's my cutoff point. I don't want to spend any more than $50 on Poshmark, because what if it doesn't work? I don't reposh myself, so I don't want to be stuck with something worth any more than that, if that makes sense. That's as much money as I'm willing to risk on Poshmark. So that was no good. Then the other issue I had was with a completely different seller. I did finally find a pair of level 99 joggers that were like a leopard print, but on black. So it was a black pair of joggers that were kind of like shiny, like a faux leather style, with an embossed leopard print. Well, it's been 11 days now, and the last tracking USPS has is that it's somewhere in Newark, and it's still coming to you, but that was 11 days ago, so it was September, or 10 days ago, September 1st. So, yeah, I'm gonna reach out to USPS today after I reach out to Stitch Fix, but it doesn't look good that I'm gonna be receiving those as well. So, I don't have much luck with Poshmark. Give me a minute and I'll do a try on of these items. The Quilted Target t-shirt. I have it on with my own jeans and I'm wearing my mules that I got from the anniversary sale. I think this is kind of cute. It does kind of come up high, so if you have any neck issues whatsoever, it does hit this part of my neck. I'm fine with it. As you've been watching my channel, I wear turtlenecks and everything, but I thought I'd give fair warning for anybody that does have a neck issue that this would not work for you. Again, Target, $25. I think it's on style and trendy. It's short sleeves with the puff sleeves, quilted, a gray slate blue. They had other colors. They had like a lilac color. I think they had like a burnt orange and white and I think a black. But I chose this color because I don't have much in this color. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's cute and I think it's perfect for 60, 70 degrees. Here's the back of it. All right, I'll come close so you can see the quilting. Okay. All right, next outfit. Next is the Nordstrom top, the ringer tee. I think this tee is adorable, but just like the one from Trendsend, it's paper thin, totally see-through. That said, I might still stick with it because I like it. I like the fit of it. I like the feel of it. I wouldn't say clings to the body, but it drapes the body nicely without being clinging. Of course, I have to look back at the footage and see how much my back fat and everything shows through. I might end up wearing it still with a camisole underneath. I'm not sure. But I do like it, even though it's paper thin. The jeans, hooray, I like them. They fit, you know, they got the racing stripe. I don't have anything with the racing stripe down the side. They're a blue-black. They come right to my ankle. They have a raw hem. I like these. I'll pan down so you can see the bottom of them. Okay. You see where they come to? Again, I'm only 5'2", or just about 5'2". So for pants to fit me that aren't petite, it's highly unlikely. All right, here's the back of them. So I'm very excited. This was a very good Poshmark purchase. Unfortunately, my other two items, which I've been waiting forever for, and I thought I would film all at once and say, hey, here are my Poshmark purchases, just did not work out. The one woman just never sent, and the other one is lost in the mail. Okay, next. Okay, I just have to say my house smells like an Orchard bakery right now because I got that apple cider cinnamon donut burning. Oh my gosh, it smells just like a cinnamon donut. It's delicious. Again, thank you, Meredith. I love it. So now I have on my cardigan that I got from Stitch Fix last year, my jeans from Judy Blue, which I also got from Stitch Fix probably 3 years ago. One of my favorite all-time pairs of jeans. They're so comfortable. And I have on my Target a New Day t-shirt, which I think works with this cardigan. So I'm going to come closer. It's not a perfect match, right? This is a little bit lighter, but I don't think it clashes. I think it goes. And it's, you know, New Day t-shirts from Target, I really like them. I like how they fit. I like how they feel. I think that for the price, $5, you can't beat it. You know, scoop neck, or what is this, a rounded V or scoop neck, I'm not sure. Again, regular just t-shirt. So this one is a winner to me. Okay, next up. I have this like kimono style wrap. I'm not so sure about this one. I think it just might be a little bit too big and overwhelming for me. The other thing I don't like about it is that the arms are like way down here, and it's kind of like restricts, kind of like annoying is basically what it is. Like it doesn't stay like up here, so it like kind of comes down here on my arms, and then I have to pull my sleeves up to actually do any kind of movement. So I guess if I was home, I would just like wear it like this. I can see when I go out, them falling down and me having to like keep pushing them up. Let me know your thoughts on this and what you think it looks like on me. I do like it. I just don't know if I would wear it, to be honest with you. It's super soft. And the other thing that kind of bothers me too is the trimming. It has like a stitch down the front, but I can see that not staying in place. And it's, you know, it's not the greatest quality. It's fringed down here at the bottom. Here, let me show you, bring it a little bit closer so you can see. All right. All right, let me know your thoughts on this one, and I'm gonna look back at the footage. I'm gonna give you also a close-up of the sports bra. I'm not gonna try this one on for you, but I wanted you to see, you know, it has the protector here for the zipper, and it unzips, okay? There are no hook closures, it's just the zipper, so that's a little concerning too. I'm used to bras that have like a hook closure and a zipper, so again, for $38 for sports bra is a pretty good price. I'll try it out, and if I don't like it, I don't like it, and then I'll be on the hunt for a new one. All right, take care. I appreciate your support of returning subscribers. I always appreciate you watching my videos, and take care, and until next time.